Nobody is free until we are all free. Mr. President, in 1956, Hungarians united in a revolution against the Soviets, fighting for their basic universal freedoms. Inspired by their innate European values, together they achieved their dream, freedom, culminating in European Union membership in 2004. Yet today, we see those freedoms under threat. Some Hungarians today cannot even simply be who they are and love who they want without facing the direct persecution of their own government. What greater breach of EU values is there than not allowing citizens to be their own authentic selves and protect them? A breakdown of fundamental rights where minorities are not protected means a breakdown of the rule of law. And it is for this reason that the Hungarian government, not its people, must pay the consequences, as this morning President of the Commission Ursula von der Leyen said. So I wish and hope that the Commission walks the talk. Thank you.